Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. I am Asif. We are going to solve some questions of exercise 4A class 6 chapter number 4 integers. Now see friends, we have taken question number 9 and sub question 4. Here write the following integers in decreasing order. Okay, now the fourth number question, minus 365 minus 515 and plus 102 plus 413 and minus 7. Now first of all see on the number line all the numbers. Here is the 0. Now all the positive numbers are right to 0. That means here is the right side, all the positive numbers are. Yes, this is the smaller positive, this is just, then after this is the greater positive. It may be here, suppose it may be here. Okay, that means just nearest to 102 0, the number which is just nearest to 0 means 102, then afterwards 413, then all the negative numbers are left side to 0. That means here is the minus 7, suppose here, afterwards minus, then come minus 365, then the last is 5 minus 515. Okay, that means we can easily judge which number is the smallest and which is the greatest number. So here the greatest number is here. The numbers which are the far away from the right hand side, which are the far away from the 0 to the right hand side, is the greater number. So this is the greatest number. Okay, so the smallest number is here, smallest number is here, then afterwards this is the smallest, then this is greater, then greater, then greater, then, and this is the greatest number. Now we have to arrange the decreasing order. That means bring the first the smaller number is, bring the first the greater number. So greatest number is 413, then afterwards this number, because we are going to move decreasing order, means from greater to smaller. Okay, now afterward this is 0, then minus 7, then minus 365, then last minus 515. Now we can write this is minus 430 is great. This can be written as and this is your answer. Or either we can write 110, this is 1 to 0 0 minus 7 minus 365 and minus 5. Here is the first number should be the greatest number. Here is the greatest number. Have a look, greatest number, then after smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, and the last is the smallest number. Okay, I hope you will get. Now see friends, next question number 10 is very interesting question, and this question number 10 says, using the number line write the integer which is, because it has 4 options, 4 sub questions, and we have taken second, which is 5 more than minus 6. Okay, now let us see the sub question second. Here is the 5 more than 6, and we have to solve this questions with the help of number line. Okay, here is the written number line. Now first of all, see how we can write this statement mathematically. Suppose 5 more than 6 means 5 more means 5 is added to minus 6. Here is the numbers which is 5 more than 6, 5 more, यानी minus 6 से 5 ज़्यादा है. That means minus 6 plus 5. This statement means minus 6 plus 5 becomes minus 1. That means the answer is minus 1. But we have to solve this question with the help of number line. Now have a look. First of all, draw the number line. Okay, write the numbers 0 1 2 3. Here the positive number, here the negative, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 and so on. Okay, now here have a look. 5 more than minus 6. Now we have to start working from at 6. We have to start the working from minus 6. Here is the minus 6. Okay, now we are standing here. Okay, and we have to walk the 5 step more. Means more means here right, more means right side, and less means left side. So here is more means we have to move right side from left to right, and we have to start minus 6 and move the 5 step towards right side. Here is the right side, means 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here is your answer. Now mark, this is the point, and the one, this point marks minus 1. So minus 1 is your answer. Minus 1 is your answer. minus 1 is your answer. Okay, I hope you will understand. Now see the next similar questions. Using the number line, write the integers which is 2 less than minus 3. That means we have to move towards left side from minus 3. First of all, draw the line. Here is the line. Okay, this is suppose 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Now see, here is the plus 1, there is no need to plus and 3 dot dot so on. Have a look. If we write this statement mathematically, then we can write the minus 3 and less than means we have to subtract minus 2. Here means minus 5. The answer is minus 5. But we have to solve this with the help of line. No, number line. See, now 2 less than minus 3. That means we have to move from minus 3 towards negative sign of 2 steps. That means here we are standing at minus 3 and we have to move towards left side because 2 less than minus 3. 2 less than means we have to move from 3 towards left side. Left side is, here is the left side, means 1 step and 2 step. Here is the 2 step and mark this point, and this points indicates minus 5. So here is the answer is minus 5. Okay, I hope you will understand. So we can solve easily or the sub question 1 and 3rd. Okay, now see friends, question number 12. Find the value of, here is the, now we have already discussed about the modulus of an integer. Is the modulus of an integer, or this is called the absolute value of an integer. Here is the absolute value of minus 9, 5th minus absolute value of minus 3, 6 में 7 plus absolute value of minus 3 and modulus of 7 minus 4. We have taken 4 sub questions from question number 12. Okay, now let us see. Now, and you know friends, the modulus value, the absolute value of any integer gives us the positive value, So here minus 9, the absolute value of an integer minus 9 gives us the always positive, because this is the nothing but it is the distance from the 0. That means it is a distance like that. Suppose there is a 0, suppose here is the minus 9. Okay, this gives us the distance, okay, from 0. That means how much is away from 0. Yes, this is 9 unit away from 0, because this is why it is the positive, okay, value. Now simply we can write down the always the positive value. Okay, this gives us the positive value. Now next question number 5. Here minus, now for this is as it is. First of all, solve the absolute value of minus 3 integer gives us the plus 3. Okay, and this is minus sign is as it is. Now minus into plus here, plus your minus 3 is your answer. Okay, now next 6 number 7 as it is, write down. Here the plus. Now remember, the absolute value of any integer gives us the positive. Here means the positive 3. This is equal to 10. Same here. First of all, now subtract 7 minus 4. Yes, 3. Okay, now this is positive, gives us the positive sign. Either the numbers which is in absolute value, suppose the absolute value of any integer, absolute value of any positive integer gives us the positive integer, or absolute value of any negative integer gives us the always positive integer. Means the absolute value of any integer gives us always positive value. Okay, this is your answer. I hope you will understand. So friends, now see friends, question number 13. We have taken the sub question second. Write 5 negative integers less than minus 20. So first of all, in order to find answer of this question, draw the line, then we can easily judge what the numbers which are less than minus 20. Here is the 0. Suppose here is minus 20, because the negative numbers is always written just before the 0. Okay, just before the 0. Here is the minus 21, minus 22, minus 23, minus 24, minus 25, minus 26 and up to so on. Okay, minus 22, minus 23, minus 24, minus 25, minus 26 dot 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 so on. But we have to write the negative integers less than. If we move from left to minus 20 or left to minus 20, the numbers that we obtained are less than minus 20. If we move right side of minus 20, the numbers which is greater than minus 20, but we have to find out the numbers which are less than minus 20. So less than numbers are just before minus 21. Okay, that means here the answer is minus 22, minus 21 is your answer, minus 22, minus 23, minus 24, could be anything, minus 100, minus 200, minus 300, minus 400, because this question says write 5 negative integers less than minus 20. Okay, that means we have to move left side from minus 20. Whatever the number obtained from left side of minus 20, these are all the answer this question, and we have to choose only 5 integer which are less than minus 20. So this could be answer, or minus 30, minus 31, minus 32, minus 33, minus 34, that means 5. Okay, I hope you will understand. So your homework is question number 9 to 13. Okay, your exercise for a question number 9 to 13. Have a nice day.